All right, so there's our problem.
Where?
The wheat pole of the water pump.
Okay, so the water pump needs to be replaced.
Yeah, and it's just
good lord.
It was slinging. Oh yeah, it's pissing.
Okay.
I mean, it looks like milk coming out.
Yeah.
That kind of worries me.
Hmm?
That sort of kind of worries me.
Why?
Because it looks like milkshake.
Well, yeah, I noticed that.
Let's see the oil. All right. Here we are on the 54. Time to get ready to pull Mr. Water Pump. Fun, fun. Fun, 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 fun. Fun, fun. Fun, 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 fun. All right, so I've pulled the upper hose, the heater hose. I did the clamp for the lower hose. That actually goes into the transmission cooler. And if I'm done our belt by loosening up our generator. So now we're going to remove the pump itself carefully. Do need to remove this first to get the generator bracket out of our hair, and then we can get the rest of the hardware. All right, easy enough. Pump is out. Get to clean that up. And we get to pull the fan. But it's out. All right, so cleaning the mating surface for the water pump. Pretty easy, smooth sailing. The water's, you know, seen better days for sure. Let me say, my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. I don't know how that song goes. I'm not gonna sing it, but that looks like vanilla shake or chocolate shake. Caramel frappuccino, maybe. I'm a bit concerned. All right, draining the remainder of water. And that's kind of yucky. Interesting. Alright, got the fan pulled, and the old pump is an OE casting, so I'm sure we're going to want to send this out to get rebuilt. Someone had way too much fun with silicone, which is typical. Yay! Silicone mess. But anywho, that's probably gonna get. New pump is on. Gonna put the belt in the arm back for the generator. And we're gonna come over here and fight our little hose coupling. Get that done. And I gotta put our heater hose fitting in and our fan. All right, so pump is in, belt is in, fan is in. Fresh hose for the coupling that goes to the trans cooler is in. Just need to put our upper hose on and fill this baby up. All right, everything is where it's supposed to be. Time to fill her with coolant. All right, moment of truth. Gonna fire her up. All right, she's up and running. Let's let her get up to temperature. And see what we got. Coolant on the belt. It'll wear off. Happy so far. Alright, temperature's coming up. Nothing crazy has went on yet. Go take this around in here. See how she does. Happy camper so far. Can't complain. Alright, seems to be the happy old gal. I did fill her to the brim so she could burp, so she is dribbling just a little out of the overflow, as you would expect. But she's running good. No leaky anywhere. Everything's nice and sealed up. She's got pressure too. Happy camper. Looks like a little fuel leak at the carb. Wow, that's actually